Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making aluminium foil bag for moi moi, also known as beans cake. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. This is the foil paper I will be using. When making a foil bag, the size of foil that you start up with varies based on the desired final size of your foil bag. Now I'm going to start by folding my foil paper in half, giving it a little crease. Then fold it again. Then fold the side, just like this. Then fold it again. Now I'm going to fold the other side. Then fold it again. Doing it this way, it will prevent leakage. Now I'm going to put my hand inside so you can see how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my aluminium foil bag for moi moi. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.